location for us. So
Green River.
We're excited about that. We're going down to fish with a buddy of ours who's a guide on the Green River. New fishing territory for us. And I'm bouncing all over the place here. So come along, let's go explore the Green River and Flaming Gorge. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, there's some animals up here on the road. Hang on a second.
Well, riding down 191 to Flaming Gorge has been a lot of fun so far. We've seen pronghorn antelope, we've seen wild horse, we've seen free-range cattle, we've seen hawks, we've seen deer, and we've only ridden about 30 miles. So Lord knows it's like a Wyoming zoo out here. But it's very cool. It's early in the morning, and so we're watching real close so we don't run over anything, or they run over us. Either way. Utah, and just below the dam, so we're fishing the A section, tail race water. Beautiful emerald green water. It's cool riding down through the canyon in the sun. We're gonna have a ball. It was great meeting up with our buddy Mike and his wife, and we're just looking forward to a great day of fishing on the green.
Yep, it should be awesome. Even if we don't catch fish, it's gonna be gorgeous.
Here we are with our friend Mike on the Green River, and we're gonna take off and go down here. We're all rigged up, and Glenda's in the back, I'm in the front, and there's a gazillion fish out there, and
144,000.
144,000 fish. That's a lot.
Seen the boat. I thought maybe he was going to go eat the worm. He's going to go eat the worm. Or no, he's on the worm. Look at him. Look at him. He wants what he's got. He wants what he's got. Yeah, if you know what, if he was on that top fly, I bet you that fish would have ate that worm. Oh. Hold that up there a second, Michael, for me. It's not bad.
Good fish.
Oh, nice brown. Now let me take a little video of him. Nice brown. Yay, okay, cool.
Now I feel better, Michael.
I feel bad to begin with.
All right, let's see. We got that. We got this.
So how many fish have you caught, Mike?
4.
Not as many as you.
Is that some beautiful
Caught 4 fish. Glenda got like 6.
So let's put 2 different size crickets on here.
We're taking a break. We found a beautiful spot to stop for lunch and sit out, get out of the boat a little bit. This beautiful rapids. It's just a spectacular day. We couldn't have asked for a nicer day. It is just beautiful. So we've caught a ton of fish already. I think I have 6, and I think Mike has 5 or 6. He just caught a couple on dry flies, which I hope I captured on the videos. So it has just been spectacular. We love the Green River.
The next one's got a good drop in it, and then from there they get longer.
Yeah.
It's getting longer. And more rocks.
Oh, there's a nice one.
So here, Brenda, going to see.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Well, how y'all making out?
Pretty good.
Good.
We've been having a ball.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is definitely the prettiest water we've fished this summer.
I used to like the Yellowstone, like in the Immigrant Paradise Valley. I just like the view. You know what I mean? But you got the highway right next to it. You know,
Yeah.
89, and so you got all that. My friend, he turns his hearing aid off, so he doesn't hear it. You know,
That's
when
great.
He's fishing that. But then you can't hear the rattlesnakes either.
Yeah, there's that.
There was another fish coming up to look, and that little guy just darted right past him.
Nice one.
You know what? He's about, that's good. About 16, 17 inches. He's about 17.
Nice.
Well, we finished it up and we had a good time. The fishing was great.
That was absolute gorgeous scenery. It was so, the cliffs and everything, it was just beautiful. And the water was so green and so clear. You can see all the way to the bottom the whole time. And
Well,
you can see that it was exciting to see the fish take the fly. So if you want to go to a new place, if you haven't been on the Green River, call Dutch John Resort and ask for Mike. He's an awesome guide. He's been guiding there for 5 years.
like, share, and subscribe.
We are
Herons on the fly.